Hey, what's up guys? I'm C-Love, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing video. Come on, let's take a look. If you've been here before, you may already be thinking, whoa, Curtis, this is way off topic for this channel. And you'd be right for the most part. I don't do a whole lot of unboxing videos, but this is an enormous upgrade for all of us because for the last 5 years, I've been riding the iPhone XS Max. That's what I've been shooting the videos for this channel with, and I wasn't even making YouTube videos when I first got it in September of 2018. If you haven't seen what goes on here, let's take a moment to find out. On this channel, you'll see simple woodworking projects and educational videos, and I try to make myself as available as I can to help with your projects as needed. Feel free to reach out or leave a comment down below letting us know what country you're watching from. In the 4 years that I've been creating YouTube videos, I've acquired several lots of domestic and foreign exotic hardwoods. Sooner or later, I'll get around to posting more awesome videos using these finer pieces of wood from all over the world. Back to it, I'm still always impressed at how nicely even the boxes of Apple products are engineered. Once I've got that baby open, you can see that this one is the blue titanium, and I'm super happy with it so far. This camera setup is pretty much infinitely more robust than what I have been using, and I'm certain you will notice a huge difference. Inside of the box, there's a tiny envelope with some very exciting literature and one Apple sticker. Also in there, you'll find a 3-foot long cable that is USB-C on both sides. That was in there, and I did check. I'm not really prepared to do any kind of speed or performance tests, but I can show you what the blue one looks like next to the black one. You may already know, but both of these phones are wrapped in titanium. I want to show you something that I think is pretty interesting before I show you some of the accessories that I'd recommend. I was curious as to the differences in weight of these devices since they seem to be around everywhere. Somewhere along the way, a scale came to be, and now we can compare to see how heavy they are. First up is the 6 Plus because that screen is super busted. It's going to come in at about 175 grams. Next is the XS Max, and that one is just under 210 grams. The iPhone 13 weighs just under 175 grams. Finally, the newest version, the 15 Pro Max, comes in at 225 grams, but I do have the camera lens and screen protector on it during this weigh-in. Now, let's get to the accessories. Obviously, this isn't a tech channel, so none of the products featured in this video are from any sponsors, but these are items that I personally purchased and used for my device, so I wanted to pass the information along. First up is this Anker charger. This is the 45 watt version, and I'm telling you, this thing f***ing gets it. You can charge the iPad and the MacBook with this one. Highly recommend. Next is the Anker 6-foot charging cable. It's USB-C on both sides, and this is a 2-pack, so make sure to get 2 of those chargers. You'll be glad you did. After that, I'll show you the screen protector. This one is from Tech Armor, and man, I love these things. If you tried to put on a screen protector before, you know it's not the easiest process, but once you get the hang of it, you can get it on there with no bubbles. Of course, I need to protect this glorious titanium, but I still want to be able to see it, so I'm going to wrap it with a crystal clear Spiegen air cushion case. This is the brand and style that I'm married to, and I would recommend it for anyone. I got 2 of them because after some considerable use, especially with dirty hands, they do have a tendency to yellow, but they are worth every dime. Twice. I think last is going to be this camera lens protector thing that I didn't know I wanted or needed when I discovered it. Apparently this protects the camera lenses on this phone, and since this phone is used to make these videos, I got swindled out of another couple dollars. These are worth it in my opinion though. If something happens, this is a super cheap and easy fix versus a trip to the Apple store. This iPhone was a planned upgrade for my life, so I honestly didn't even think about making an unboxing video. Until I did. And since I captured this video of me putting a screen protector on, I figured I'd include it in here too. First things first, the most important thing is making sure your screen is as absolutely as clean as possible. Take your screen protector and line it up on the face of your device. I put a piece of tape at the top of the screen to help keep it aligned. Fold it back like a warm tortilla and take off the side numbered 1. Lay it back on the screen, hopefully still in alignment, and let it lay down on there. If you get lucky, you'll only have a couple bubbles to work out. I didn't show this part, but if you get a piece of lint in there, you can peel the screen protector back and use a piece of tape to get it out of there. You don't want to have to do that though. Compressed air may be your friend during this time if you are careful. Stay tuned, I've got more great stuff planned for this channel. Thanks for your support.